In this video, I will show you how to load booking code on 888 stars. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888 stars account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you want to load a booking code, another name for a booking code is a best slip code or promo code. So just go over to best slip and you use the option load bed slip and paste the code here. Like for instance, this is an example of a code, and just go ahead and upload it. Once you upload it, the events in that particular code are going to show, and they can go ahead and place your bet in that event. And that's how to load a bet code on 888 stars.